Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana projects, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type www.asana.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Asana homepage. At the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address. Type your email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typographical errors. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompt to enter your verification code. Once authenticated, you will be taken to your Asana dashboard. Here, you can view your projects and tasks. If you are part of multiple workspaces, select the workspace you wish to access. Now, you're ready to manage your projects effectively in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.